You can feel completely healthy today and still become the next victim of heart disease. Every 40 seconds, someone dies from heart disease, and millions of people walk around with a hidden danger lurking inside their arteries, a condition called atherosclerosis that most of us know by its name, clogged arteries. For many people, the first warning becomes the last: sudden chest pain, breathlessness, or a heart attack that seems to come out of nowhere. But what if it's not sudden at all? What if your body has been sending silent signals for years without you noticing? Heart disease develops quietly over time, but the good news is your body has natural defenses, and in this video, you'll learn simple steps to help protect your heart before problems begin. So, what you're going to get today are 3 bedtime water recipes built around ingredients studied specifically for their effects on arterial inflammation, blood vessel flexibility, and cardiovascular protection. Each one gets a full breakdown: what goes in, why it matters at the biological level, and the preparation steps that determine whether you actually get any benefit. These 3 drinks are ranked from least to most effective based on current evidence, and by the time this video ends, you'll know exactly which one to start tonight. Before getting into these drinks, you need to know what kind of silent problem is working inside. But if you want to skip this part, you will find the timestamp in the description. Now, let's get to the problem. Understanding the silent problem. To understand why these drinks matter, you need a clear picture of what's actually happening inside your arteries right now. The process is called atherosclerosis, and it begins with damage to the endothelium, the thin inner lining of your blood vessels. Think of that lining like the non-stick coating on a pan. When it's intact, things slide right past, but once it gets scratched up, everything starts sticking. High blood pressure, elevated LDL cholesterol, cigarette smoke, and chronic inflammation all damage that lining. Once the damage happens, your body tries to repair it by sending cholesterol, fats, and immune cells to the site, and that patch job forms what we call plaque. Soft at first, then hardening over time into a rigid, narrowing obstruction inside the artery wall. Narrowed arteries mean less blood reaches your heart, your brain, and your legs. But the most dangerous moment isn't the narrowing itself. It's when a piece of hardened plaque breaks loose. Your body reads that rupture as an injury and sends a blood clot to seal it. And if that clot grows large enough to block the artery completely, the result is a heart attack or a stroke. A healthy lifestyle is your #1 defense, but we can also look at targeted strategies to support our bodies. And that's where these bedtime waters come in. They work by helping to address some of the root issues, like managing inflammation and fighting oxidative stress with antioxidants. So why before bed? Each one contains compounds studied specifically for their ability to quiet inflammation and neutralize the free radicals that damage artery walls in the first place. Drinking them before bed matters because that's when your body runs its deepest repair cycles, and quality sleep is when your arteries do their most important maintenance work. So, let's get the drinks. Drink number 3, Star Anise Water. We'll start with an ingredient that's as beautiful as it is powerful, a star-shaped spice from China and Vietnam that has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. Star anise is what we're talking about, and modern science is starting to look into the properties that made it so revered. Star anise holds potential for arterial health because of its rich supply of bioactive compounds like flavonoids and polyphenols. It contains anethol, which provides its licorice-like flavor, along with linalool, a terpene with anti-inflammatory effects, and quercetin, a powerful antioxidant. What makes star anise even more interesting is shikimic acid, since it's the world's primary source of this compound that's been studied for its potent antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation drives atherosclerosis, and by helping to regulate inflammation, star anise might make the environment in your blood vessels less welcoming to plaque development. Preliminary research points toward its protective role in heart health, with some animal studies suggesting it may help regulate blood pressure and lower the buildup of plaque, partly because its rich antioxidant content helps protect heart cells from oxidative stress. More robust human trials are needed, but the evidence for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties is compelling. A warm infusion of star anise before bed isn't just about its compounds, but also serves traditionally as a calming digestive aid. A happy digestive system contributes to better sleep, and that's when your body does its most necessary repair work. The preparation is wonderfully simple. Let's get the step-by-step preparation for star anise water. To make this water you need 4 whole star anise pods, 2 cups of filtered water, and optionally a few fresh mint sprigs for added digestive benefit are first. Lightly crush the pods with the back of a spoon. This cracks the outer shell and releases the essential oils, which carry the active compounds. Now, place the crushed pods in a saucepan with the water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, because boiling drives off volatile compounds. After 1 to 2 minutes, turn off the heat, cover the pan, and let it steep for at least 10 minutes. The water should turn a warm amber color with a licorice-like aroma. Finally, strain into a mug and drink it warm, about an hour before bed, and skip the sugar. Drink number 2, turmeric and black pepper water. At number 2, we have a spice that needs no introduction. Turmeric has been one of the most studied spices in the world for the last 2 decades, and the reason is curcumin, the compound responsible for turmeric's deep golden color. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and its effects on the cardiovascular system have been the subject of dozens of peer-reviewed trials. A 2017 review published in the journal Nutrition Research found that curcumin supplementation significantly improved endothelial function, the ability of artery walls to relax and contract properly. Healthy endothelial function ties directly to blood pressure control and healthy blood flow. And the same review noted that curcumin's antioxidant activity helps neutralize free radicals before they can damage the arterial lining. Beyond curcumin, turmeric also contains vitamin B6, which helps prevent the accumulation of homocysteine, a compound that independently damages artery walls when present at elevated levels. But there's a catch, and this is where most people get the preparation wrong. On its own, curcumin has extremely poor bioavailability. Your digestive enzymes break it down so rapidly that very little actually reaches your bloodstream. Black pepper offers a fantastic trick from both ancient wisdom and modern science. Piperine, the active compound in black pepper, inhibits the specific digestive enzymes that metabolize curcumin, and a study published in Planta Medica found that combining piperine with curcumin increased curcumin bioavailability by up to 2,000%. That's not a typo. The same dose of turmeric becomes 20 times more effective when you add a pinch of black pepper. Let's get the step-by-step preparation for turmeric and black pepper water. To make this water you need a 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh turmeric root, or 1 teaspoon of high-quality organic ground turmeric, 4 cups of filtered water, and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. At first, fresh root should be scrubbed well and grated or thinly sliced to expose as much surface area as possible. Now, combine the turmeric, water, and black pepper in a saucepan, bring to a boil, then reduce to a gentle simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. The water will turn a deep golden orange. Finally, strain into a mug, let it cool slightly, and add a squeeze of fresh lemon for vitamin C and brightness if you like. A larger batch keeps in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, so you can reheat a cup each evening. Drink it warm, about an hour before sleep. Drink number 1. Fennel seed water. Here we are at our number 1 spot, and fennel seeds are the kind of ingredient most people walk past in the spice alley without a second thought, and that's a mistake, because fennel seed water may be the most comprehensively cardiovascular supportive bedtime drink you can make from a single ingredient. The reason it takes the top spot comes down to how it works. Fennel seeds address cardiovascular health from 3 distinct angles simultaneously, and that multi-pathway action is what separates it from every other drink on this list. First, blood pressure and vessel relaxation. Fennel seeds are a meaningful source of potassium, a mineral that counterbalances sodium's effects on blood pressure. But the more interesting mechanism involves nitric oxide. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that consuming fennel seeds increased nitrite levels in saliva, and nitrites are precursors to nitric oxide, a molecule that signals smooth muscle in artery walls to relax and dilate. More relaxed arteries mean lower pressure against the vessel wall and improved blood flow to the heart. This is the same biological pathway targeted by some prescription blood pressure medications, triggered here by a plant compound. Second, the gut-heart axis. Fennel's long-standing reputation as a digestive aid isn't just folklore. Researchers now recognize what's being called the gut-heart axis, the direct relationship between gut microbiome health and systemic cardiovascular risk. A healthy gut helps regulate inflammation and lipid metabolism throughout the body, and fennel's fiber content and anethol compound both support a gut environment that produces less inflammatory signaling. Third, direct antioxidant protection. Fennel seeds contain vitamin C and flavonoid compounds that scavenge the free radicals responsible for oxidative damage to arterial walls. Going back to the pan analogy, if atherosclerosis is the non-stick coating wearing off, antioxidants are what slow the wearing process before it gets bad enough to cause sticking. The evidence for fennel's cardiovascular benefits is promising, but still developing. The nitric oxide pathway data is solid, the potassium content is documented, and the anti-inflammatory properties of anethol are well established. This drink earns the top spot because it addresses more mechanisms at once than any other single-ingredient option on this list. Let's get the step-by-step preparation for fennel seeds water. To make this water, you need 1 tablespoon of organic fennel seeds, 2 cups of filtered water, and optionally a small cinnamon stick or a few fresh mint leaves. The first step is the one most people skip, and it matters. Lightly crush the fennel seeds in a mortar and pestle or use the flat side of a knife. You'll smell the difference immediately, a sweet, potent anise-like aroma that tells you the volatile compounds are now exposed and ready to infuse. Now, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add the crushed seeds, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. After simmering, turn off the heat and let it sit another few minutes before straining into a mug. The water should be pale green with a mild, sweet scent. For a more concentrated brew, soak the crushed seeds overnight in the refrigerator and then heat the pre-soaked water for 5 to 10 minutes the next evening. Drink this warm, about an hour before bed. The result timeline. If you add 1 or more of these drinks to your nightly routine, here is a realistic picture of what to expect and when. Within 3 days, you'll likely notice better digestion and reduced bloating, particularly with the fennel and star anise. Some people also report falling asleep more easily, which is partly due to the calming warmth of the ritual and the mild relaxation effects of linalool in star anise. Within 2 weeks, people with mildly elevated blood pressure sometimes report feeling the difference: warmer hands and feet, less tension in the legs when walking, and slightly more energy in the morning. These are early signs that blood vessel tone may be improving. Within 30 days, if you're consistent and pairing these drinks with a reasonable diet and activity level, you may begin to see measurable changes in your blood pressure readings and inflammatory markers if you're having blood work done. After 90 days, the deeper changes, improved endothelial function, reduced arterial stiffness, take this kind of consistent, cumulative effort. These are not fast fixes. They are steady, compounding support for a body that responds well to sustained care. Don't expect overnight miracles. Expect a gradual, measurable shift if you stay consistent. Cautions you must follow. Before you start, there are a few genuine considerations worth knowing. Turmeric in regular culinary amounts is safe for most people, but in the concentrated quantities used here, it can interact with blood-thinning medications like warfarin and with diabetes medications by enhancing their glucose-lowering effect. If you're on either of those, talk to your doctor before making this a nightly habit. Fennel contains compounds that can interact with certain antibiotics and estrogen-based medications. Again, a quick conversation with your doctor is essential, and if you have a history of kidney stones, high oxalate foods, including some herbal teas, may need to be moderated. These drinks are meant to complement a heart-healthy lifestyle, and any treatment plan your doctor has already set up, not replace it. So lastly, to recap, Star Anise Water gives you powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant support through linalool, quercetin, and shikimic acid. Turmeric and black pepper water delivers curcumin at dramatically improved absorption, directly supporting arterial lining function and reducing oxidative stress. And fennel seed water, our number one, works from 3 directions at once, promoting nitric oxide production for vessel relaxation, supporting your gut-heart connection, and providing antioxidant protection to your artery walls. A balanced diet, regular movement, and well-managed stress remain the foundation of cardiovascular health. These 3 bedtime waters are what you add on top of that foundation, night after night, while your body is doing its most important repair work. If you've tried any of these before, leave a comment and let me know which drink you started with and how long before you noticed something different. Take care of your heart because it's the only one you have.